Hello and welcome back to another computer sluggish tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable the login screen, which means that when you turn on your computer it will just log straight into Windows and you won't have to see that lock screen anymore. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click and then go to Settings. You now need to go to Accounts and we need to go down to Sign In Options. You now need to enter in a password if you haven't already, otherwise you won't be able to access the other options. I'm just going to type in a new password now. Once you have added a password, you now need to close down settings and open it up again. You should now have at the top require sign in, and we need to change this drop down menu to never. Once you have finished doing that, we can now close down settings and you need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen again and just type in netplwiz and you need to open up this. You now need to untick this box where it says users must enter a username and password to use this computer and hit apply. You now need to type in your password for your user account that we just set. And there we go, it's as easy as that. If you now restart your computer, it will log straight into your user account. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.